error playing audio on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you are getting the error playing audio on Messenger pop up, then follow these steps. The common reason for this error is because of the connection issue, so go ahead and launch the settings application and switch to cellular if your Wi-Fi is not working properly and switch to Wi-Fi if your cellular is not working properly. Now scroll down and find the messenger option there and tap on that. Make sure the toggle button for microphone is toggled on. Go back and now tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Messenger option there. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix the bugs in the app. Do not worry, because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and will fix the app further. See if the problem is fixed or not. If not, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Messenger application. You will see the option for Remove App. Tap on that and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete App. Now open App Store and install Messenger again. Launch the application and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.